Hello, friends. Today we will discuss some true facts and reality about coronavirus. So, I promise you and guarantee that after watching this video, your thinking about coronavirus will definitely change. Hello, friends. Welcome to Trending Tips. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get these important videos first. So friends, let's start the video. So I will discuss some true facts with some proofs so that you can understand the depth of coronavirus situation. So first I will discuss the number of deaths in the world in the last 3 months of 2020. 3,14,687 deaths because of coronavirus. And do you know, just by common cold, the number of deaths was 3,69,602, and by malaria it was around 3,40,584. And do you know, just by suicide, the last 3 months deaths count was 3,53,696, and by road accidents it is 3,93,479, and by HIV it's 2,40,950, and because of alcohol the number is 5,58,471, and because of smoking it is 8,16,498, and just because of cancer it was 11,67,714. So nobody will discuss all these. So nowadays in media and other social platforms, people are discussing about coronavirus only. Nobody will discuss about this cold, malaria, suicide, accidents and all. So then, do you think coronavirus is very dangerous, or this is the purpose of the media campaign to settle the trade war between China and America? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment box. Or this is because to reduce financial markets, to prepare the stage of financial markets for mergers and acquisitions, or to sell US Treasury bonds to cover the fiscal deficit in them. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment box. Or is it a panic created by pharma companies to sell their products like sanitizer, masks and medicines, etc.? So I would tell you, please do not panic and don't kill yourself with unnecessary fear. This posting or this video is to balance your news feed from post and caused fear and panic. Do you know right now 38,724 people are sick with coronavirus, of which 32 lakh are from abroad. So if you are talking about India, so that means if you are not in or haven't recently visited any of the foreign countries, this should eliminate 95% of your concern if you are an Indian. If you do contact coronavirus, this still is not a cause for panic, because 81% of the causes are mild. It's not very critical or very dangerous. 81% causes means 81% cases are very mild, and only the 14% cases are moderate, and only 5% of the cases are critical only. And in this critical 5% critical, which means that even if you do not suppose even if you do get the virus, you are most likely to recover from it. Some have said, but this is worse than SARS and swine flu. But do you know SARS had a fatality rate of 10% and swine flu 28%, while COVID-19 or coronavirus has a fatality rate of just 2%. Moreover, looking at the ages of those who are dying of this virus, the death rate for the people under 55 years of the age is just 0.4%. This means that if you are under 55 years of age and don't live out of India, you are more likely to win this lottery. That means 1 out of 45 lakh chance. Let's take one day, that is let's take an example of one day, that is 1st May as an example, when COVID-19 took lives of 6,406 in the world. On the same day, 26,283 people died because of cancer only, and 24,641 people died of heart disease, and 4,300 people died of diabetes. So nobody will discuss all this, because if they this media and other social media, they are like fond of discussing this coronavirus, and this is a kind of business. Suicide took 28 times more lives than the coronavirus, and mosquitoes kill 2,740 people every day. Humans kill 1,300 fellow humans every day, and snakes kill 137 people every day. And sharks kill 2 people a year. So do the daily things to support your immune system, proper hygiene, and do not live in fear. So I would say the biggest virus is not coronavirus or COVID-19. The virus is because of fear. So don't fear. We can easily win against coronavirus, because this is nothing but a very like low fatality rate virus. So I would say, please don't afraid of this virus, and stay strong and stay safe and stay home as much as possible. So friends, please let me know in the comment box if you want to know anything, or if you have any review, or if you have any comment, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Please like the video and share the video, and please share my channel and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.